Welcome to our eVidya. Student, last class we have learned that is atmosphere. Today we are going to discuss about air. Okay. So in atmosphere air is there. So we will discuss about that air. Okay. What are the air are there in our atmosphere? Not only one type of gases are there. It is composed of different gases which we can say air. Okay, we know that air is everywhere around us. We also know that earth is surrounded by a layer of air is called atmosphere. So what are the gases or air are there? I will tell you, student, directly. So here we can say, see student, if it is our earth atmosphere, so there are 78% or nitrogen are there. What? 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen are there, which is very important for us, and we are taking as a breath. We will take that air only to our body, inside our body, and 1% of other gases are there, which are referred as carbon dioxide, argon, neon, helium, radon, and water vapor. That means if it is total 100% student in our atmosphere gas, so in 100% 78% are nitrogen are there, 21% oxygen are there, and 1% 78 and 21 it becomes 99%. Now we will discuss about 1% are remaining carbon dioxide, argon, neon, helium, radon, and water vapor are all are these are including in 1%. Okay. So more gases are 78%, that is nitrogen. After that 21% that is oxygen, which we are taking as our breath. Okay, we will take that air in our body. Because of that we can live our life. And 1% that is carbon dioxide, argon, neon, helium, radon, and water vapor are there. Clear? So first we will discuss nitrogen, then oxygen, then other gases. Clear, students? So it dilutes the oxygen needed for the breathing and burning, and it is used for making the fertilizer and other chemicals. It will help to making fertilizer and other chemicals. Then oxygen, it is the essential for our breathing. I told you we will take air in from the environment in our body as a oxygen. It's also support to burning of fuels. Oxygen atoms form a ozone layer. Oxygen atoms forms the ozone layer. Oxygen atoms form the ozone layer. Okay, then we will go for another gases which are composed of only 1%. There are carbon dioxide needed by plants to manufacture food to extinguish the fires. Okay, we will take oxygen from the environment and we will leave carbon dioxide. Okay, that carbon dioxide is needed for the plants. Then we will come to argon, is used for light bulbs. You know that light bulbs will be glow when will the switch on. That inside the light bulbs argons are there. Neon is used for glow signboard. Neon, you know, some signboard we will use for our direction in night time, that will be glow in night time because of neon. Helium is used to fill up the large balloons which are sent up to the atmosphere. You know, sometimes if in a park or some other area, tourist area, they will send a balloon upside. Okay, it will automatically go up. How? It is inside that helium gas will be filled. Then helium gas are very light, it will take off the balloon. Okay, radon is used for the treatment of cancer. Okay, radon gas, it is one type of gas which treatment for cancer student. It is very important. Then water vapor, maintain the water cycle. Water vapor means, student, in our air, waters are dissolved in with air like water droplets. Okay, so this is called, it maintain the water cycle. Apart from the air, dust and smoke, germs and microbes are there in our atmosphere. Okay, now how we will take care of our air? Air is free and plentiful, so we take it for granted. We don't ever think what will happen if air disappeared from this world. Earth will become a dead planet. Okay, if we will not take care of our environment, then one day will come Earth our dead for us. Okay, so it is not our duty to protect but take care of these very precious things. Okay, is it not our duty to protect? Yes, it is our duty, and we should take care our planet because it is precious things. How we are taking care of our family members also, like this way we should take care our environment also. Okay, because of them we can live happily our life. So this is the some things. When so much oxygen gets burnt every minute of our lives, it is quite natural for the amount of oxygen to get less and less, and the amount of carbon dioxide to increase in the atmosphere. The Amazon rainforest are called lungs of the earth. Okay, the Amazon, the biggest forest on this earth. So we can say Amazon is the lungs of the earth. Clear, students? Now we will go to its nature's miracle. Planet use of carbon dioxide to prepare their food and release oxygen. Okay, the more plants are there, the more oxygen will be produced. Understood, students? That means it is God creation or God miracle that nature will be the which poisonous gas we will send, that planet will be take, and planet will give which we need. So we will exhale the carbon dioxide, so that carbon dioxide planet will take, and planet will send oxygen which we need. So it is God's creation, that is called nature's miracle. That means according to for our purpose, according to our life comfortable, everything is already available on this earth planet. Understood? So how will you let us keep our air clean and fresh? It is very simple. Achieve this, we all need to make the 3 R's habit, that is reuse, reduce, recycle, reuse. We have to follow this: reduce, recycle and reuse. Okay, that means we should reduce the things. We should not use much as whatever it's bad for our environment. So reduce and recycle. Whatever we use again, we have to recycle it, and then reuse also. That means once we use again, we will use it. Okay, some air, the fun of air they did the students that we will do later. Okay, how air also is a part of our day-to-day life, with how the air is helping to our day-to-day life. Okay, students, and air also occupies some space. Clear? You can see it is a glass jar. If you put glass first, then you will pour water, it will not go. If you somewhat will bend, the water will be go up. Okay, and the air bubbles will come out. That means air occupies space. And here candles are burning. If you put some glass jar, after sometimes the candles stopped. Why? How much air is there, it will consumed, after that it is stopped. So air support to burning of the candles. Okay, so here is needed. Everything whatever are there in our environment, everything is needed to our lives. Clear, students? Some fun they did. Okay, you know balloons how they will move, and here in front of fans, if you will send a paper plane, it will go up, and through pump we can fill our cycles tire. Okay, tubes. So this is the some things which can help us and to know different activities or scientific reasons are there. If you full of water glass, if you cover with a cardboard, then if you put backward downward for downward back, then it will the pressure will be exist from the downside. You can see here, then it will not drop out. Okay, it will not fall down that cardboard. So this is the some miracle and some fun fact are there which causes the help of air. Okay, and because of air we can fly an aeroplane in stratosphere. We know that, students. So this also help us in our life. It is very important for our life. Life can exist because of this. So I hope all of you understood that about air, students. It is very important. Go through this video and once go through the books also. After complete this book, I will send the workbook exercise. So go through the exercise, practice it for your exam. So thank you students, take care.